Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do an updated brow routine video because I haven't done a brow video in quite some time, and I just bought a new product from Colourpop. They just released a slew of new brow products, so I ordered one from their website, and it's like the pomade type of product. So it comes in this little jar, and it's actually a glass jar, which kind of scares me because I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. But I got it in the shade black and brown. I don't know how many colors they actually came out with, but there was quite a few. I actually tried this really quick last night, and I really thought that it went on super smooth and creamy, but then also dried to the point of it not possibly budging throughout the day, which today will be the wear test for me to see how it performs throughout the day. So I have a really flat brush, flat angled brush that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to pick up a small amount because it really is a little bit goes a long way. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand where it will stay warm, and I'm just going to start off with a quick spoolie brush through the brow. And then I'm going to start right in the front, and because I want my eyebrows to be further over, I'm going to draw hair-like strokes. But for now, I'm just going to start with this line here, and this is where I want my fake brows to end. And with a light hand in the front, I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to, since I don't have brow here, I'm going to carry that out through here and then just fill that in. And then I'm going to continue into the tail. So we have the shape from here to here. Then I'm going to start up in here and just with light strokes add the product. And I want this to curve a little bit because I don't have that curve, the arch actually. So I'm going to do that. And I want to make sure that I get, see this area, it's it needs to be filled in. So then I just kind of go back and make sure I fill in so I don't have bald spots on my brow. And then with not too much product at all, I'm just going to do some hair-like strokes in the front, and very light, because you want the front of your brows to be lighter than the tail. So you want it to be like a gradient effect, lighter in the front and then darker, darkest. And then you just go through and fill it in. And I wanted this a little bit more pronounced, the arch. So I'm just going to go back in and really get that more pronounced. That's a little too much, so I'm just going to do one of these. Okay. And then with that spoolie, I'm just going to give it a nice comb through to disperse the product throughout the entire brow, and try and lighten that up in the front some more. And then you can use any brow gel, clear brow gel, to set your brows, and so that they stay all day and they don't move, and it kind of sets the product. So I'm going to give this a wear test. So tonight I'll hop back on and tell you if they held up throughout the day. So the Colourpop, I wanted to talk about the price and the comparability to other brow products that are more well known, like Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. I would say it's like the consistency is very comparable to the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, but it's $6. Like, Colourpop made a whole bunch of colors for $6. This could actually maybe take the place of Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade for a lot of people, and it's a lot more affordable. So we'll see how it lasts throughout the day. It's going to be kind of humid here today, so the humidity will let me know if it holds up. And I will also, I'm going to link it down below in the description box for Colourpop's website. So I will be back with how it wore throughout the day. Hey guys, so it has been about 7 hours since I did my makeup. So as far as the longevity of the Colourpop brow pomade or gel, as you can see, it held up really, really good. No budging, no shifting, no smudging. Everything stayed in place, and it was really, really humid today. So I thought maybe, you know, I would always get like sweaty up above the brows. It stayed for 7 hours. I definitely recommend this product, especially for the price. It's $6. I mean, you really can't go wrong. It's an amazing, amazing product. But until next time, guys, thanks for watching.